Problem is, I filled up both of my stomachs.
Well, welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today we're in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we have found the Shiny Diner. It's on one of North Carolina's 11 diners that you have to see. If it's on that list, it's got to be good. So let's go check them out. Come on.
I sat down here at the Shiny Diner with these cool menus. I got my trusty Diet Mountain Dew. I saw this right here, the HAWG Waffle. Oh, Elvis Presley. And you guys know, just in case you don't know, Elvis is still alive and he's a subscriber to the channel. And you should be a subscriber to the channel too. So if you're not, hit that subscribe button. Also, give us a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Okay, it's got sausage not only on top of the waffle, but baked into the waffle. Meat on top of a waffle cooked with meat. Can you beat that? Alright, we got some sausage on top. Oh, wow, that is really good. There's a pre-made product you can buy in the store called a pancake on a stick. Okay, I like those, they're okay. But this is 20 times better. Layered chocolate cake, it looks so good. Problem is, I filled up both of my stomachs. You have a regular stomach and a dessert stomach. You can fill up your regular stomach and you still have room for dessert. My breakfast had so much sweet in it with the waffle and the syrup, I think that filled up my dessert stomach too.
The Shiny Diner. You have to come here and get the HAWG Waffle. Pig Suey. Until next time, we'll see ya.